You are not lazy. You are not unmotivated. Your mind is simply operating on the wrong mental software. Focus is not about forcing effort. It's about activating the correct neurochemical chain. Once you understand that sequence, entering flow becomes repeatable, almost like trained muscle memory. The flow framework is the foundation. Flow emerges when 4 specific conditions line up perfectly. First, a clearly defined objective.
Second, instant feedback.
Third, pressure that feels meaningful but safe. Fourth, 0 external distractions or novelty. Miss even one of these, and flow breaks instantly. Let's unpack each one carefully, with science-level clarity but human-level simplicity. Level 1. Precision and clarity. Your brain strongly resists vague intentions. Cannot enter flow if it doesn't understand what success looks like. Statements like, "I'll study today," or "I'll work on my project," confuse the brain. Internally, it asks, "When is this done? What's the finish line?" A flow-ready goal follows a strict format: action, quantity, and time. For example, solve 8 physics questions in 25 minutes. Write 300 words without editing. Code until this function runs correctly. Clear goals reduce mental noise in the prefrontal cortex, freeing capacity for deep concentration. Less decision-making, more execution. Level 2. Calibrated difficulty. This is where most people break flow. Flow lives in a narrow zone. Tasks that are too easy trigger boredom. Tasks that are too hard trigger anxiety. Neuroscience shows flow appears when challenge sits just above your current skill level. Not overwhelming, not soul-crushing, just enough to demand attention. In simple terms, flow is like fighting opponents 1 level stronger than you. The solution is micro-challenges. Break large tasks into smaller missions. Each task should feel slightly uncomfortable. That discomfort signals dopamine release. Comfort shuts dopamine down. Level 3. Feedback systems. Why does studying feel dull? Because flow requires immediate response. Athletes see scores instantly. Gamers get points in real time. Musicians hear every note. Students, however, face delayed results and unclear progress. The brain receives no win signal, so engagement drops. The fix is artificial feedback. Check answers immediately. Track visible progress. Cross items off physically. Use timers as structured rounds. Feedback tells the brain, "We're advancing. Stay engaged." Level 4. Elimination of novelty. This is non-negotiable. Your brain has limited dopamine reserves. Every notification drains it. Every open tab leaks it. Every song change resets focus. Flow requires dopamine protection. The rule is simple: 1 task, 1 screen, 1 sound. Phone out of reach. Tabs closed. Environment intentionally boring. Boredom is the entry point to immersion. Flow activation sequence. How high performers enter flow deliberately. Step 1. The 2-minute ignition. Commit to just 2 minutes. This bypasses the brain's threat response. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Step 2. Time blocks. 25 to 45 minutes maximum. Flow chemistry usually activates after 10 to 15 minutes. Quitting early kills it. Stay long enough for the shift to occur. Step 3. Physical stillness. Flow prefers minimal movement. Sit upright, feet grounded, minimal fidgeting. Less body noise equals more mental bandwidth. Advanced sound strategy. Brown noise for deep focus. Pink noise for reading. 1 repeating instrumental loop. This works because the brain stops scanning the environment and turns attention inward. Lyrics hijack language centers, so avoid them. Neurochemical support hacks. Safe and science-based. Before starting, do 2 to 3 minutes of light movement. Drink water. Practice slow nasal breathing with extended exhales. This increases oxygen delivery, norepinephrine levels, and calm alertness. The mind becomes quiet yet sharp. Exit strategy: how to make flow return faster. Never stop when completely drained. Stop while momentum is still present. End when progress is visible. This builds dopamine anticipation. Your brain remembers the reward and wants to return. Flow killers to avoid: multitasking, perfectionism, switching tasks midway, delaying feedback, waiting to feel motivated. Flow rewards momentum, not emotion. Flow is not a rare gift. It's engineered clarity, calibrated challenge, protected dopamine, and repeated rituals. You don't need more willpower. You need a better system. Fix the structure and focus